Hello and welcome back to Learn with AB Mom. Just like how we learned about this and that in our previous video, today we are going to talk about these and those and how to use each of them. We use these and those to talk about the nouns that are close to us or far from us. And remember, the noun should be in a plural form. Let us look here. We learned that if it is one flower, we say this is a flower because it is near to us. But if it is more than one, it's a plural. So we say these are flowers because they are near. So instead of this, we use these for a plural noun and when they are near to us. And remember to add s at the end of the nouns. So we say these are flowers. Now let us look at the far flower. So what we say, that is a flower because it is far and it is one flower. But if it is more than one flower and they are all are far from us, we say those are flowers. Those we use for the plural noun which is far away from us. So these are flowers are used for more than one flower which is near to us. These are flowers. Those are flowers are used for more than one flower which is far away from us. Now this sentence we are going to look at the picture first and we read the sentence. So the pictures are showing some chairs and not flowers. So here we have to use the negative sentence. These aren't flowers. Those aren't flowers because they are chairs. They are not flowers. So we say those aren't flowers. Those they are very far. Now let us move to the next part. We are going to make some questions. We know these are flowers, but when we want to make a question, you have to change these are and put the be verb first. So it becomes, are these flowers? Are these flowers because they are near to me? So we say, are these flowers? And the answer will be yes, they are. And when they are far, we say, are those flowers? Are those flowers? Here the answer will be yes, they are. Now let us look here. Here we have chairs. And the sentence say, are these flowers? The answer will be no, they aren't. Are those flowers? Because they are far. No, they are not flowers. So the answer will be no, they aren't. So let us make few sentences. Are these cabs? Yes, they are. Are those cabs? Yes, they are. Are these cabs? No, they aren't. Are those cabs? No, they aren't. And remember, aren't is a contraction form of are not. So today we have learned how to use these and those in a plural form and how to use them while making a sentence and how to use them in a negative form. If you like this video, share it. See you in the next video. Love and peace to all.
Hey English learners, here's an interesting idiom you must know. Month of Sundays. Month of Sundays. Now, it's got three meanings. First is something unlikely to happen. $10 million a year? You'll earn that in month of Sundays. The second meaning is to take a long time. It will take month of Sundays to find the bug in the code. And the last meaning is something that is rare. I haven't had such a good meal in month of Sundays. Isn't it such a great idiom to use in your everyday conversations? I'm sure it is.